Hey crafty people, thanks so much for stopping by today. Today we are going through a recap video for the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar, and this is for days 16 through 20. In case you missed any of the other unboxing videos, feel free to head over to my blog at egidesigns.com or look in the description box, and I have the playlist link in there and you can check it out and see every day I do a shorts unboxing video. So alright, so this week we had a lot of really unique kind of products. For day 16 we had these banners, and they make a impression in the cardstock. So there's three words here. It's congrats, good vibes, and happy day. And there's an outside banner piece, and then you swap in the inside banner piece. So I thought those were really interesting and cool. And then for day 17 we had these beautiful iridescent sequins. I just put them on this little bit of cardstock so you can see how sparkly they are. And they're kind of a little bit ivory, opaque kind of look. And then day 18, look at this. So this up to here is the die. So you can either cut out, 5 different pieces and then mix and match. You can, be kind of specific in how you're cutting it, but they form together to look like this. So it's very interesting kind of deco look. Then for day 19 we had a stamp set, and then these go with some of the products that are in the advent calendar. So you make me smile, rolling by to say hi, that's for next week. You are out of this world, and thanks. So then day 20, to go with you are out of this world, we have this little UFO. How fun is that? And you could completely customize this however you want. You could use like silver, cardstock, whatever you want for the rays. So that's just really super cute. So you can start building things together at this point, which is really neat. Alright, so that's it for today. I just wanted to do the recap, and again, if you missed it, any of the unboxings, the playlist is in the description box and over at my blog. I will also put there any products that I used to kind of just pull these together simply so you could see what they look like. So that information will be there for you as well. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye bye.